With the release of the 2022 Wave 2 update for Dynamics 365, users will notice a new experience regarding the Advanced Find feature. In this video, we will discuss the changes made and how to use the new modern Advanced Find. I am already logged into Dynamics 365. In the past, there used to be a funnel at the top right corner of the screen. Due to the recent updates, this icon may or may have not disappeared from your environment. Even if the icon still appears, this will bring you to the new modern Advanced Find configuration. If you don't see the icon at the top of the screen, you should still see the search bar. When this is selected, we should see an option at the bottom of the window that states Search for rows in a table using advanced filters. Selecting this option will bring us to the modern Advanced Find configuration window. Before we update our filters, please know that all advanced finds are now based on your default view for the table or record type selected. If you are looking to use advanced find based on a different view, you will need to update it to be your default view, then proceed to use advanced find filters. You will be able to update filters and columns when updating the view. After we've selected the option to bring open the modern advanced find window, we will now select the table we would like to create our view for. For my example today, let's go ahead and select Context option and select Continue. Doing this will close the window and open and edit filters screen. Now please note, it may take a couple of seconds for the new window to load, so please be patient. In the Edit Filters screen, we will see the filters that are behind our default view as mentioned before. For my example, the default contact view I've selected is the active contacts, where the only filter selected is the status equaling active. From this window, we have options to add rows, groups, and related entities to the filter. You will also notice in the Add Filters window an option to download Fetch XML if you ever need that ability. Let's add a new row to our filter that will display our contacts if they're based in the state of Wisconsin. After we've applied our additional filters, we can select the Apply button to update the data in the view. Doing this, we will now see the name of our view has an asterisk next to it, meaning that an update has occurred. From here, we can modify our columns. To do this, select the Edit Columns button at the top right corner of the screen. Selecting this will bring up the Edit Column screen. From here, you can rearrange, add, or remove columns to the view. Let's go ahead and add that state field to our view. Once your changes have been made, select the Apply button to see the changes on the view. The last thing we now need to do is save and share the new view. To do so, let's select the List View drop-down arrow. And in this menu, at the bottom, we will see the option to save as a new view. Selecting this will allow you to name the view to whatever you would like it to be. For our example today, let's save it to Active Contacts in WI. You will also notice the option to manage and share views. From this window, you can select the ellipsis next to the name of the view that you would like to share and select the Share option. This opens a new window where you can select a user in your system and share this view with that user. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to Topline Results at info@toplineresults.com or call 800-880-1960. Thank you.